Hope so they will join quickly.
Hi, welcome back.
Hi again. Hi again.
Yes, yes,
I
yes, yes.
Insta
I have
is
already,
not really doing good with us.
I don't know about this setting. Seriously. If anyone knows
Yeah.
about it, please let me know.
Yeah, how to do this setting,
I,
it's very bad that it gets disconnected after 1 hour. The session was going in a heat.
yes, again, we are going to ask so many questions.
Followers, keep ready. Just get ready with
Yes,
your questions. Please
just send,
fill,
send us your
yeah,
queries.
fill this box with your all queries and all questions you have in mind. It's such a vast topic. You can ask anything. It's related to environment. Ma'am is saying something, accept my request.
Yes,
Amita ma'am
but
is
I
saying.
am not able to because I have already accepted. Why is it so?
Yes,
I don't know.
प्रीति डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था ये एक 1 hour के बाद डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाता
Hi,
है.
ma'am.
Hello again,
Welcome back.
ma'am.
I don't know
We
why
are so sorry
it
for
was
this.
not. We are so sorry for this inconvenience. So, meanwhile, they are sending their questions now. We'll take some of the questions that they have already sent us after yesterday. No? We have posted the story and they have just sent us in the DM. Yes, Tanu, take the
Yeah,
questions. First one.
exactly. The very first question, because I think every second woman on this earth, and especially in my DMs, wanted to know this, that what are your suggestions for this women empowerment? You empowered yourself and others also. So say they want some suggestions for yourself
Sure,
from
sure.
your
Yes,
side.
See, there is definitely family support which you have to seek. That is most important.
first.
That is first and most important, and the way you communicate to them about what you want to do, why you want to do it. तो ये अगर आप अच्छे से communicate कर पाओगे तो I think you will get the support. Secondly, a lot, and actually this is first. This is the first thing. Second is the family support. First is everything is here, and most women just
Yes.
think they can't do it. That is where it all
Hmm.
stops. If they
Believe in
think
yourself
they
is more.
believe, a lot of, so for example, a lot of my friends say that बहुत सारा काम है, workout के लिए, for example, or for yoga and meditation.
Ah,
Yeah.
सुबह there's so much of hard, there's no time. I have to make tiffin for kids, I have to make tiffin for husband, I don't have time. So it's all here. You have to
yes,
change the way you look at yourself and what you want to do. Then your family will definitely support you.
true.
Yeah, but the means you have first you find a motive, then you just prepare a strategy, a plan in your head, and then you have to convince your family. You have to do it. This should be the motto, कि नहीं करना है तो करना है. You can't leave it. तभी हो पाएगा.
टोटली कंसिस्टेंसी इज इम्पोर्टेंट. एक दिन आपको लगेगा मुझे करना है, फिर दूसरे दिन आप सो जाओगे तो
Give
नहीं
up
होने
कर.
वाला.
नहीं होने का. यार फैमिली भी कहाँ से
Yes.
कन्विंस होगी. बिल्कुल. So I think Mud and Colors have a question, Suruchi. If you do, can we expect session on vermicomposting also?
Sure, we can do it. We can do a vermicomposting session. One of you can take me live and I can demonstrate, or I can only showcase it and people can watch it. So follow us on our handle and we'll do another composting session soon.
Yes, yes.
Wow,
Composting is on the demand.
something new to learn. Yes,
Yes, yes.
something new we
मैम
are
कभी
going to learn.
yes, कभी डिमोटिवेशन हुआ तो आपने खुद से क्या बोला कि नहीं मुझे करना है? कैसे कैसे हैंडल करते हो आप? डिमोटिवेशन कैसे हैंडल करते हो?
So I talk to my mentors to get motivated. The team motivates me, of course, a lot. So I think that's where I get my motivation. Of course, self motivation तो है ही, क्योंकि that
True.
it is a cause that is very close to my heart. So I definitely want to do it. वो खुद ही हो जाता है. And फिर lifestyle ही ऐसी हो गई है कि you get motivated. But yes, team, family play a very important role. Mentors play a very important role.
True.
So that is
There is
something
one
we
more
should
question,
always
ma'am.
have. Even like as a sorry, your earlier question about the women, how women can motivate themselves. It's very important to have
Yeah,
very
yeah.
good mentors. It's very, very important.
Okay. Ma'am, there is one more question related to kitchen waste. As you have already told us about the segregation, डेली बेसिस पे आप कैसे क्या सजेस्ट करते हो लोगों को कि वो एनवायरनमेंट के लिए कितना कर सकते हैं और क्या इजी वे है जो हम प्रैक्टिकली लाइफ में भी कर पाए, क्योंकि लोगों के अंदर बहुत ज्यादा ये रहता है कि नहीं, कंफ्यूजन है कि वी आर वर्किंग, वी आर गोइंग टू ऑफिसेज और हाउस वाइफ ऑलरेडी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ हाउस चोर्स, हाउ वी कैन डू अ बिट for environment especially.
It is not only for your environment, it is for yourself. So first you need to understand कि environment अलग है, हम अलग है, हमारे बच्चे अलग है, ऐसा नहीं है. Everything is one and the same thing. If you are going to save money for your children and for their future, you also need to save the environment for them. Otherwise,
True.
they'll not have like anything in their life to do only money. They are not going to be able to eat or drink money or breathe money. So that's very important. So you have to take some time out, and these things are not so difficult. Composting is not so difficult. So even Worm Rani has joined this session. I don't know if she's still
हाँ.
watching us, but she has a lovely on her Insta and YouTube channel. You'll see lovely videos, simple
I have seen
tips,
her. Yes, I have seen. Yes,
simple,
lot of
simple
work.
tips of what people can do, and it's easy. In my kitchen, I have a dustbin only for compost, like only for wet waste, and in my balcony, and I don't live in a bungalow or a big house. I have a small balcony. In that I have my composter. So I put my waste. Usme not even I don't even take 2 minutes to do that in a day. So I do that. I stir the composter. I keep it maybe once in a month or once in a week. I have to just check whether everything is doing fine with the composter. रेस्ट अगर हम थोड़ा सा प्री प्लान करें तो मेरे बैग में हमेशा एक क्लॉथ बैग रहता ही है. आई ऑल्सो हैव 3-4 पैकेट्स ऑलवेज इन माई बैग. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, in my bag I always have these kind of plastic bags. I use them, reuse them. So
Wow.
if I go to a kirana store, I ask them to put things in this. So if I want to, for example, bring chai, so there is a loose chai
True.
person in just in our this thing. So I take it in this. I don't get a packet of tea at home. So those little things that you can do will change your lifestyle. That's what you need
Yes,
to do, and it
True.
doesn't take time. It really doesn't take time. This is
doesn't
where
it?
your mind needs to be aware. That's all, and your mind will be
Okay.
aware if it is calm.
Yes,
Your
awareness is
mind
most
is,
important.
yeah, if
And
your awareness
Yeah,
मुझे
is
ऐसा, yes मैम, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि लेडीज ना, दोज आर एट होम, दे शुड बी रियली रियली कॉन्शियस अबाउट इट, क्योंकि ये सब कुछ उन्हीं के ऊपर तो डिपेंड करता है ना मैम, कि कैसे हम लोग अपना किचन को मैनेज करेंगे, कैसे हम लोग, ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है उनके लिए समझना कि वेट वेस्ट इज, we need to segregate the
that
waste. Dry
everybody
waste
needs
is
to
something.
take the responsibility. As in, it has been said that women should take care of the house, but I think it's extremely important. Everybody should take care of the house. Men should, children should know कि कौन से
Yes,
कपड़े पे क्या
children.
डालना है, and the maids
Yes,
or helps in the house should also know. So I think it's a family activity to do
effort.
seriously, and it is fun if you do it as a
true.
family. If you're going to do it alone, then it will be little more challenging, but if you do it as a family, it will be fun.
Okay.
या दिस
There
इज
is
अ
one
काइंड
more
ऑफ
question.
लर्निंग कि अगर कुछ चेंज चाहिए आपको एनवायरनमेंट के लिए, कुछ चेंज करना चाह रहे हो किसी भी चीज के लिए, तो सोसाइटी एकदम से चेंज नहीं होने वाली, नारे लगाने से कुछ चेंज नहीं होने वाला. आपको एक घर से शुरुआत करनी होगी, अपने फैमिली मेंबर से शुरुआत करनी होगी, उनको पहले चेंज
Yeah.
करो तो धीरे धीरे सब ऑटोमेटिक चेंज हो जाएंगे.
Perfect.
मैम
Yes.
हैज डन दिस.
You can share your queries, guys. We are waiting. One more question is there, ma'am. That how to just how we can send the waste to you, and
Okay.
what form you will require.
Sure. So usually, the kind of waste which we take is, for example, these wrappers, but open them only from the top. Don't tear them open because then it becomes as useless for us. carry
Okay.
bags that you use, thick or thin carry bags you send us. Even your gift wrappers, so ideally don't use them, they're useless. But if you have
Yes.
got them, you
True,
can
true.
always
Hmm.
open them carefully
Yeah.
and send it to us. Another very interesting thing that we also accept is, remember these
Oh, these are cassettes.
Oh,
Yes,
cassette
yes.
tapes. So a lot
cassettes,
of people are
cassettes, पुराने
throwing
time.
away these cassette tapes these days, but we accept them and we upcycle them too.
वाओ,
Yes.
हाउ मैम, प्लीज प्लीज थोड़ा थोड़ा बताइए, ये आप क्या बनाते हो? इसका भी
Cassette
सेम
reels.
चीज बनती है?
जैसे ही ये जो
या
इसका जो रील है ना, इसको हम वीव करते हैं,
ओके
चरखा हैंडलूम यूज
ओके
करके.
ओके
So it's the same process, but yes, a lot of people do send us these cassette tapes nowadays. So yes, we are welcoming those too.
नाइस,
Yes.
वेरी नाइस.
They are sending request to just join the live video, but please, I am so sorry. You can just send your queries, whatever you want to ask, in the comment box, please.
And meanwhile, I want to say something. When जब ये live disconnect हुआ, तो I got 2 messages. मेरे दोनों cousin जो है, they were watching live and they were saying like, please save this video. It's so informative and so interesting. हमने थोड़ी देर के लिए देखा, but उनकी classes है, तो they couldn't join for long. So दीदी, please save this video. Now I'm going to watch it. Please, it's so informative and interesting.
Everything is saved. You can just watch in IGTV. You will find every detail related to plastic that we have discussed today. Right? What's going on? Hi Pankaj, we are discussing some important topic. You can just welcome Miss Amita, who is a founder of Free Charkha Tribal. So you can just ask your question related to plastic. She is doing some
Okay,
amazing job. Yeah. Are you willing to
we got one
expand the
question.
organization through various reasons? Your
Yeah.
expansion plans, ma'am.
Yeah, we do want to expand our work, but we are just trying to make it a little more standardized, a little more easy for people to replicate. Otherwise, we don't want to end up creating more waste and more problems in other regions. So we want to make it a little more standardized, because right now it requires a lot of focus, a lot of skill. उसमें बहुत लगता है. एकदम से किसी को भी वीविंग, प्लास्टिक वीविंग नहीं आ सकता, तो उसको थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, but we will be doing that very soon. So be in
And
touch.
yes, anyways, it is available if you want to, get all the products. But later on, ma'am will expand for sure in
And
coming years.
help us in expanding our market. So if anybody is interested in helping us getting our sales going, getting orders for us, corporate orders or bulk orders, किसी की weddings है, किसी के birthdays है, उसके लिए लगने वाले जो gifts है, so you can always approach us, because these are the things you're going to help us with. So please do that.
Wow. Yes, 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 yes. There's a comment from Pankaj. I am intern at Greening Bharat NGO. I'm also doing work on zero waste lifestyle. Very good, Pankaj. You want to say something?
Very
Ma'am?
good, Pankaj.
No, that's very nice. That's an excellent work. I will also work, I'll check out Greening Bharat, right? I'll check out, because it's
Yes.
a
And
work that all of us need to
yes,
get
that's
involved in.
Yes. There is
and
Sachin
there is a
Bhardwaj.
comment
Hello,
from
guys.
Sachin Bhardwaj. Yeah, please
Yes.
read it.
Hello, guys. Good evening. I have been following Recharkha social for some time, and I have been a fan of their initiative.
Thank you so much.
Do you have any questions, Sachin?
Raghav Doot is asking something. Would you like to open an organization in Nagpur or help us to start?
Yeah, I think that, and even hello, it is Shandy Girl. They have similar questions like the earlier one also. We do want to start in other cities, but right now there are two things. One is this is a very slow process which needs time to learn, and we don't want to end up creating more waste in other places if we just randomly teach anybody. So it has to be done in a good controlled manner. So that's one. Secondly, we also need to develop our market, क्योंकि सिर्फ products बना के भी फायदा नहीं है. अगर वो खरीदने के लिए लोगों को ये अपने को मार्केट डेवलप सबसे पहले करना पड़ेगा. ओनली देन पीपल विल स्टार्ट बाइंग इट. सो यू कैन इन द मीनवाइल, until we standardized our process, help us in reselling. So help us in selling it to your friends, families, or if you want to get into a business of distribution or reselling of our products, please help us with that first.
Yes. There is one more comment from Sachin Bhagwat. Please, let's connect. He's saying to you, I would like to discuss about the business opportunities.
Sure. Why don't you DM us, Sachin? That'll be great, and mention what you're going to discuss as well, so that Saili will connect you to me.
Yes, Saili is just the right hand. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Saili is my sweetheart. She talks like she most of the times handles all our communication, and she's very, very good at it.
Yes.
Very nice.
Okay. Would love to. She's saying hello, Sandy. Would love to. She is your fan. She's your fan for sure.
Wow. Such good people have joined also, Suruchi. Na? They are all willing to help and they are all willing to contribute towards it. Please start doing it.
Please start doing it from your own home at least. Yes, sure. Yes, he will send you some messages. Okay. Ma'am, what was your experience with us? Did you enjoy it like us?
Of course, yeah, it was fun. It's like having a conversation, though we've never met. It was very easy.
I enjoyed a lot, and I was very excited.
Me too. Yes, we both were very excited. We did a lot of homework, also researches, also, and everything was so interesting, so interesting. Even when we put stories, people were so curious about you so much. We just loved the response.
Thank you.
Yes, there are two more questions, Tanu. There are two more questions.
Yes.
Is there any center in Mumbai where we can donate plastic waste?
At present, not, but we will be. Actually, one of our friends runs an organization called 5R Cycle, and she collects plastic waste. And if you tell her specifically that this is for Recharkha, she will, keep it for us and send it to us. So you can do that. 5R Cycle is their name.
Yes.
Okay.
Pankaj is asking, are you in Delhi, ma'am? Are you in Delhi, ma'am? No, she is not in Delhi.
You can send us your waste. You can you can buy online.
Yes.
Okay, the Sachin Bhardwaj is asking something. I would like to know what are the opportunities are you seeing in the market related to eco-friendly products?
It is a good market, but that's what I've been saying, that we have to first create the market. We have to make people aware. मतलब अगर लोगों को पता ही नहीं है कि eco-friendly क्या है, people will never switch. So they need to know, they need to understand क्यों उन्होंने switch करना चाहिए. The why is very important. I think that's where we need to focus on, Sachin.
Very good.
Yes. Yes. There is one more comment from Sampath. It is very hard to collect the pure plastic waste. Let us know how you can come over it.
Yeah, it is. It has been difficult. So that's why, I always teach people composting. I talk about it because composting से ये problem solve हो जाता है, क्योंकि wet waste घर ही में use हो जाता है. Then फिर सिर्फ dry waste बचता है. तो most of the times that can be cleaned and kept. So a lot of people still don't understand it. वो गंदा waste भेज देते हैं, but हमें अभी नहीं मिलता गंदा waste. Now people have understood. And they've been sending us, washed and cleaned and dried plastic waste. That is most important.
Yes.
I mean, ये सबसे एक important चीज थी जो मैंने भी सीखी. Like, ma'am is teaching in every live, like, please segregate your waste. Dry, अलग, जैसे, and what type of packet should we send to her? वो भी सब कुछ.
Yes.
So please go check her live videos. You'll get to know everything about all this environment and upcycling and everything.
There is a comment, Raghav Dhru. Thank you, ma'am. Wants to start something that can recycle plastic, because in our area there is nothing that do such kind of work. Yes.
You can collect it and send it to us if possible, Raghav. That will be great.
Yes.
So overall, you should be. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time that you could, just take out for us.
One last
question. Was a great session. Yes,
One
Tanuj
last
has a lot of
question,
questions.
Suruchi, from my
Yes,
side.
Tanuj.
Ma'am, message to youth. Everyone's watching here, and everyone watch after the session will be over when they are going to see this IGTV video. हमारे youth को आप कुछ message क्या देना चाहेंगे?
यूथ को मैं क्या बताना चाहूंगी?
Yes.
Everyone, like वो कैसे
Yes.
contribute कर सकते हैं इन सब चीजों से related? This is very
My
important.
parting message to everybody is follow the 5 R's. One is
Wow.
refuse, reduce, reuse, repair, and then finally think about recycling. तो सबसे पहले आप अपना वेस्ट क्रिएशन बंद
Awesome,
कीजिए,
यार. Wow.
रिफ्यूज कीजिए, रिड्यूस, अपना कंजम्पशन ही रिड्यूस
बिल्कुल.
कीजिए. जो भी चीज है, जैसे मैंने बताया अपना ये बैग में लेके जाती हूँ सब जगह पे, उसी में सारी चीज लाती हूँ, सो रीयूज कीजिए. देन रिपेयर कीजिए, अगर फट गया तो वापस वापस वही स्टिल स्टिच करके यूज कीजिए. एंड देन फाइनली थिंक ऑफ रिसाइकलिंग और अपसाइकलिंग. सो वी कम एट द एंड.
Yes.
या
There's one
ये
more
प्लास्टिक
question,
नीड
ma'am.
को खत्म करना है.
या
Yes, there is one more question. What do
sometimes.
you do with the leftover plastics?
So we try not to have any waste from our end, but if it gets created, we send it for recycling. So we have obviously people who are recycling, whom we know as well. So we send it for recycling or pyrolysis, but we don't throw it. We take a lot of effort. वहां पे भी हमारा बहुत मैन पावर जाता है कि कोई भी वेस्ट बाहर ना फेंक दिया जाए, उसको रिसाइकिल करते हैं हम एक छोटी छोटे ये भी यूज करके उसको रिसाइकिल करते हैं. Sachin, you can message us later because it's a very specific question and we'll definitely answer you. But it
Yes.
is true that it is,
Yes,
it is
yes.
difficult to create a market for this kind of a product. It was, but today it's a little easier. And as a vendor, I definitely feel that, on an online marketplace, it's a little difficult to explain the product. So more and more activities like this should do. So if you are setting up a marketplace, let's, talk about it. Let's do videos, let's do lives, let's do interviews. Then the message will go. It will not just
Yes.
sell. So if I just keep this bag, if I just keep this bag and ask people to buy it, people might not want to buy it, or people don't know what it is. People just think it's झूठ, कुछ भी लगता है लोगों को. तो
Yes,
message
yes,
पहुंचाना
true.
सबसे important है. That is our challenge, and I think you can try to help us with that. Thank you.
There is one more question, ma'am. Hello, Sandy Sanders. That every packet has a different thickness. Like, so how do you use or segregate according to the product?
Yeah, so we have to do that manually. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्लास्टिक वेस्ट जो भी आता है हमारे पास, तो वो मोटाई उसकी थिन, उसके वजह से हमको उसको अलग से सॉर्ट करना पड़ता है, और उसको अलग से कट करना पड़ता है. या इट मेक्स इट इज डिफरेंट.
It was a definitely best live I have ever attended. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. It was really a fun. Ma'am, thank you so much. I'm so humbled, so glad that you just joined us, and एटलीस्ट हम लोग इतना भी कर पाए कि आपको लाइव लाके आपसे बातें करके अगर हम कुछ लोगों को मोटिवेट कर पाए और बता पाए कि कितना अच्छा इनिशिएटिव आप कर रहे हैं, तो आई थिंक आई हैव डन अ बिट फॉर एनवायरमेंट.
Thank you. You are actually helping that. So keep doing it. I'll be more than
Thank
happy.
you so
You
much.
can send us your cassettes, Nidhu.
या
Yes,
निधु,
yes, yes.
आपकी कैसेट्स आप डायरेक्ट मैम के पेज पे जाएंगे तो हाइलाइट्स में उनका एक एड्रेस दिया हुआ है, आप वहां पे जाके सेंड कर सकते हैं मैम को सारी कैसेट्स. इट वुड बी अ ग्रेट हेल्प. मैम,
Yes.
थैंक यू सो मच. It was a very, very nice and interactive session, and we learned a lot. I think
We
everyone
learned a
learned a
lot.
lot.
Really
I guess
appreciate
I'm so going to watch it again and again and again.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am,
Yes, and
I'm going
whenever
to
I'm
visit you
coming
very
to
soon.
Pune, na Suruchi, we are going to visit ma'am. Yes, I was saying the same thing.
For sure. For sure. For sure. For sure. Thank you so much,
And
ma'am. I hope you also enjoyed us, because it's tough. It's really tough to bear us live. And if we could, just make you laugh a little bit for the day, for your evening. And thank you so much. Yes, Tanu?
Can you see, Suruchi, the curiosity is never ending. Followers are such a fan of ma'am. They are keep on asking questions and questions and questions. So please.
Yes.
But, thank you for your precious time, ma'am. We won't trouble you more now.
Ma'am, we will surely call you again for live.
Sure.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So sweet of you. And everyone, please go watch your IGTV, and you can just have, all the sessions there. Please go to website Recharkha. You will get there all the stuff that she is working on. Plus, you can just go on her Insta handle, and you will, it's so much information there. You can learn how to do composting, how you can, just do your bit for the environment. You can just have a look on all the product range. And please have a cutlery set in your bag. That's must have.
Definitely.
That is a must have.
And that's a must have. And these products are not just so beautiful. They are not going to, they are not even adding beauty to your collection, but it's an honor to buy those products. You are contributing towards the environment. It's such an honor.
I'm really happy.
You are helping the tribal people. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank
you so much, ma'am. Have a nice,
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a nice evening. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.